Let me get the whole shot here. We're looking for CustomRCMods. That's my bad. There it is. He's
Whole shot custom 1.6.
Definitely got to start a little bit ahead of everybody else, but definitely after the buzzer. No false starts there.
Custom lap 11.58. Flying Sharks lap 14.88. FPV Gaps lap 14.62.
Alright, looks like Flying Sharks is chasing
Custom
down
lap 11.7.
FPV Gaps.
FPV Gaps lap 11.84. Flying Sharks lap 14.07.
CustomRCMods is in the lead there. Just finished his third lap. And that is a personal best and a new lap, one lap record for the night, 11.39.
Custom lap 12.3. Full shot custom 1.57. Custom lap 12.11. Unlimited lap 14.26. FPV Gaps lap 16.48. RV lap 21.09. Custom lap 12.32. Unlimited lap 15.57. RV lap 15.0. FPV Gaps lap 22.48.
Alright, looks like the whole shot was blocked by Noah. Sure. I don't think he's done anything. I'm out. We'll get about 3 or 4 games. He's right away. So look at behind him. 1 gate behind the RV. No one.
Am I done?
Yeah, I think so.